Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be doing some buffalo check Christmas themed DIYs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Starting with my first DIY, I'm going to use this Dollar General Hello Sunshine sign. And this was $2, but I did get it after the summer, so it cost me I think 50 cents. I'm not sure, but it was 75% off. And all I'm doing is just going to cover the Hello Sunshine using this buffalo check paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. And as you can see, it isn't long enough, so I am going to just cut the first piece, and then I will be attaching another little piece to finish it off. And I accidentally cut it too small, so I do go back and paint only like the edges using some red paint. Once it was dried, I used the Elmer's glue spray. I got this from Dollar Tree, and I just used that because I ran out of my glue stick. And it works perfectly fine. You just have to work fast because it dries pretty fast. I will be adding the word joy, and I'm using these Dollar General wood letters. They cost me $1. So I'm only using the J and the Y, and for the O, I'm gonna use this snowflake that came from a Dollar Tree little pack. To cover the little hole, I decided to make a jute twine bow and then add it there. And that is it for this beautiful joy sign. For my next DIY, I'm going to be transforming this artichoke sign that I got from Hobby Lobby on clearance for $2.99. So I'm going to cover the picture using the buffalo check paper, and I am going to just place it on top and start pressing on it so like that it can crease and I know where to cut. So I accidentally cut this uneven, and I'm going to fix that up by just painting all the edges just like I did on my first DIY. This time I'm using some black paint, and then I'm going to just let it dry and then use the same little spray adhesive that I got from the Dollar Tree and sprayed it, and then just glue the paper. The trees I will be using to decorate my sign are these wooden trees that I got from Dollar General. There's 3 different sizes. So I will be gluing the medium one in the center and the 2 small ones on the sides. And to finish these off, I will be making some jute twine little bows and then just add them to the top. And that is it for this beautiful Christmas sign. For my next DIY, I'm using these Dollar Tree gift boxes to come in this little pack, and I'm using the smaller one without the top piece. Now I'm using the trees from the little kit that I got from Dollar General, and I'm using the bigger ones. All I did was just put them together, and I'm using a score stick from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to start by just placing a piece of the floral foam inside the box. To cover everything up, I'm using some garland. Now I should have added rocks so like this it doesn't fall. I mean, the tree is not heavy, but if you want to like move it around, it's better for you to add a couple of rocks inside the box. Now the next thing I did was just add the score stick to the wooden tree, and I didn't paint it or anything, and I didn't paint the tree either. I just left it the wood color, and I placed it in the center. To cover where you can see the foam, I decided to add some greenery picks. Well, this one right here, I cut some stems off from a Dollar Tree one. And to finish it off, I added a bow at the top of the tree. And that is it for this tree. For my next DIY, I will be using this whitewash plank that I got from Dollar General. It was $2. So I'm going to start by removing the rope, and then I'm going to turn it vertical and then add some ribbon at the bottom. This ribbon is from Dollar Tree. It is the buffalo check one. The next thing I will be adding is the leftover wood tree, which is the medium size. And I'm adding this farm fresh little wood sign that I got from a Dollar Tree pack. To decorate the bottom a little more, I'm adding this little greenery with the bow that I removed from a Dollar Tree tag. And to finish this off, I will be making a little star using the buffalo check paper so I can add it to the tree. And that is it for this beautiful farm fresh sign. The next thing I will be doing is very easy and simple. From Dollar General, I picked up one of these believe signs. It was $2. I removed the sticker and I left it the color it is. All I did was just use a leftover little greenery with a bow that I removed from a Dollar Tree tag, and I glued it to the eye. And that is basically it, guys. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one's your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.